Today we bring you a full range of our WS1, suitable for all kinds of wet and dusty environments. Let's look at its dimension. First, take another look at the internal structure of WS1. Waterproof loop using imported silicone rubber. Fire resistance 9,4V in glass. The moving parts use electric contacts that made of nickel silver. Contact strength can reach over 40 N. The spring is made of imported steel wire. Can use 500,000 times without deformation. Contact groove design. The dust can be naturally burned and cleaned by electric current. The stop plate and terminals are stamped from high-quality brass. Bubble point limits step reinforcement. Ensure the stability of each terminal slot. Now look at the sealant. Seal first. Then fill the bottom hole with sealant. The sealant is made of epoxy resin. 200 degrees centigrade. High temperature resistance. High viscosity. Summary of internal structure. With a variety of levers. All kinds of wiring terminals can be equipment with various wires. Can be used in environmental resistant requirement application or HEDRR equipment such as automobile, vending machine, refrigerator, ice machine, bath equipment, water heater and air conditioning, etc. Dongnan micro switch.